Hi friends, we are back. So finally you are to the last part of the edition. That is the making of the Rising Phoenix. I hope you have enjoyed all the dances which we have displayed in this CD. So now we move on to know Rising Phoenix more deeply, more better. We can see all the members of Rising Phoenix expressing their views. So here we go to the journey of Rising Phoenix.
Hi, my name is Matthew Was and I am the member of Rising Phoenix. Okay.
I am Vanessa Dinello and a member of the group Rising Phoenix.
Hi, I am Aloysius Da Silva and I am a member of the Rising Phoenix.
Hi, I am Karen Silveira.
Hi, I'm Christopher Dias and I'm the member of our upcoming dance group, the Rising Phoenix.
Hey, I am Francie Camillo and I am a part of Rising Phoenix.
Hi, I'm Kevin D'Souza, a member of Rising Phoenix.
We were dancing before. I and Kevin were childhood friends, so we were very good buddies. So we had a talent of dancing. So we started dancing in church activities, and then later on we thought we have a good talent to dance. So we started of moving it, further this, and we started dancing with a group.
My cousin used to dance in Kevin's group, that is Rhythmic Waves of Portaling. So I also was good in dancing. One day Kevin approached me to join his group. That is how I am in the group.
Recently, I used to take part in any youth activities. So after joining the youth, I met some new friends, especially Matthew and Kevin, and they had some activities where dancing was involved. So I told them, I can dance, and I took part in it. And we were the main members, who used to organize the dances in the church. So we planned that if we had such a talent, why don't we expose it outside? So we planned on making a small group and dancing. We started with very small, very simple steps, and later it grew big.
Well, it all started with the youth activities, and later on we had this temporary group, that is the Rhythmic Waves, and now we've come up with this new group, that is the Rising Phoenix, and I'm a part of it from the beginning.
Kevin has approached me to come in their dance group. So I have not refused him, so I came in their group. And he was knowing me before that I used to dance, and that's how I came in this group.
I have a friend named Aloysius who is a part of it. He gave me a call one day saying that they need a girl. So as I like dancing, I thought of becoming a part of it.
As earlier we had 3 groups where we used to dance, and first I would say we started with the parishes of Kortalik, and then later we performed as the Rhythmic Waves of Kortalik, and then finally one fine day we thought of coming up with a professional group, and so I just discussed with my friends, and we came up with the decision that we should come up with a professional group, and we came, which was named as the Rising Phoenix.
Choreography was very tough. We had to struggle a lot. There were many steps which were difficult to do it, and Aloysius were doing lots of stunts, so we also had very difficult to do it. So it was tough.
Choreographer was a very good dancer, but his choreography was tough also. But he made it so simple that we learned in no time.
Basically, when we started, we used to choreograph our own steps, and it was very simple but very unique and different steps. Later, we got some help of other choreographers, and recently we had got a choreographer from Vasco, I cannot recollect his name, and he taught us very good steps. He had taught us good steps. They were different steps, and it was very interesting to learn. It was quite a challenge, but that's what life is all about challenges. It was very good.
Earlier we used to choreograph our own dances, and now this time for the recent dance we got a new choreographer. Well, we got a lot to learn, and it was a good experience.
Choreographer was quite okay. The choreography was very tough for me, because as far as my experience, I have never done this dance like this before. So it was quite okay in this dance group to dance, because I have learned so many good things, good steps, and very different steps. So I have never tried this before. So it was okay.
Firstly, the choreographer was a good
and his choreography was tough, but he repeated the step all the time. So it became a problem later when we wanted it to be the perfect. So we did not get what we want, but it was good.
Talking about the choreography, actually earlier when we used to perform, we used to choreograph our own dances, and it was quite a simple steps, and though it looked very good, but as we thought of coming up with a professional group, we thought we should have some uniqueness in our dance. So we thought of coming up with a professional choreographer. So through one of my friends, I contact Ashish, who is the choreographer of Mind Freakers, and he also has his dance academy in Vasco. So through him, we came up with Ashish as a choreographer, and the choreography was really fabulous, I can say, especially the hip hop sequence. It looked pretty nice, and even the Bollywood sequence.
It feels great. It feels very, very, very great. I had a little bit overacting, but still, it feels very great. And what we can say is that it feels very good. It feels very enjoyable.
It feels good being a part of Rising Phoenix.
Well, it feels extremely good being a part of Rising Phoenix because you can tell that you're a member of a dance group and you can tell them you're a member of the Rising Phoenix, and there's a name in that, it's Rising, so like we are Rising.
It was nice and I had a lot of fun, still enjoying it.
Yeah, it feels very great to be a part of this Rising Phoenix because from my childhood, it was my dream to become a dancer. Means I'm not a dancer, as a dancer. It feels great to work with this Rising Phoenix, and I enjoyed with them lots.
I just cannot express my feelings. It was really great working with all of them, and within a short time they all became a good friend of mine.
It feels great being part of Rising Phoenix, especially when you go to perform in different venues and different kind of stages. Especially when you see the crowd cheering you up and applauding you after your performance. It's a great feeling. And even whenever you roam around among the crowd, you are known as a dancer of a particular dance troupe. So it's a great feeling, and I even enjoy with all my companions in the dance group.
Funniest moments were there were many, but one of this moments were the one thing is it's the Bamba Bole dance which was performed by Christopher. It was so bum dance. It was good. and we all can say that all is well.
The funniest moment was my point from Ashish Pocket used to tear down while teaching, and the Bum Bum Bole dance by Christopher.
The best moment is when we're searching for a third or fourth girl. We went house to house, parties to parties, weddings to weddings, searching for a girl. We got a girl, but she gave us Zoka. Bloody girls, man, I tell you.
Well, it was funny also and it was very embarrassing also. That I used to fall down every now and then and do the ballroom part while turning around.
I was the most funniest person in this group, and also the other members were also funny to me. And the second one was my co-partner was very funny. Her name is Asma. She is very good dancer, but she pretended she doesn't know anything. She gets mostly nervous, but I know that she is very good dancer, and she was pretending that she doesn't know anything. And she always do one action that I liked the most. Okay, that was my funniest moment.
The funniest was Christopher. I just cannot express how he used to make me laugh every time I entered the practice hall. He was just like jumping here and there like a frog. And his co-partner, my god, she was just like, I don't know what. She was like, same like him. She did all the time that funny acting of hers, and it was fun working with them.
Funniest moment, I would say, each and every day whenever we practice, we enjoyed a lot. Every day was the funniest one. And the dances which we did, especially the slow motion dance with the whole hip hop song, was a great one. And then we had the Bum Bum Bole, the special one which we did, and that was by Christopher, myself, Matthew and Aloysius, and even the girls participated in it. And you can see this rehearsals in the
other videos.
Whatever talent you have, not only of dance, it might be anything else also. So you just have to go on with it.
Those who got the talent of dancing, please keep dancing, don't quit dancing.
If you love dancing, keep dancing, but don't give dhoka. And join the group or join us. Best of luck.
Dancing is a wonderful thing, and if you have the talent of dancing, go on with it, learn a lot of it, and enjoy dancing. That's it.
If you like dancing and if you are a dancer, just don't give up. You just dance whatever it might be. Just don't feel shame and just rock the world.
Who like dancing, this is especially for them, because I like dancing. Keep dancing, as if you like dancing one or the other day like me, you may get a chance to work with a group.
If you have the talent of dancing, please dance. And try and learn more and more dancing styles so you can join any of the dancing group all over India. Or else you can join Rising Phoenix. You're most welcome anytime.
Hey yo, baby girl, I got a fess all up. I never thought that I would get caught up. I be a 6-hitter, baby, I just step on up. But you both me over, have me wrap it up. Girl, you hit me like a 10-ton truck. Up in my chest, got me bent all up. Whatever you put on me, seem to be stuck. It seems you got me love struck.
I got the recognition, heading to a repetition. It's not like no mission to keep wishing. This time you'll be missing, trying to be dissing. There ain't no hissing off of you, be kissing. So you better listen, this my lyrics, I will glisten. Time to engage in surgery, she's loving me. With the right upon the rhythm, like Grand Prix. Chilling fifth gear, 5 cats, no fear. You know I sound clear, on this level never near, strike the beat.